Yourself by Amy Lee. So many people have spent their time and money waiting and waiting for a single pack of masks. But not anymore. People around the world have started to make DIY masks. Yes, a mask of their own. This concept might be new to most people. You could easily imagine DIY bracelets, calendars, and dolls. So, why not masks? But sometimes people reject this idea. One citizen said that it is an overload of time and money, and another pointed out that it is low protection against viruses. However, this is not true. You can always make a DIY mask by using a bandana, t-shirts, and several hair elastics. And no sewing is required. It also has the effect of recycling, since you can always use an old shirt that you don't use. Also, these masks are scientifically proved safe and easy to use. These days, people find social distancing so boring they use a tissue box as a soccer ball. Making DIY masks may be a useful escape from the boredom of social distancing. Thank you!